Hello friends, we all are bound to make mistakes. But one thing that we all should know is keep learning. Our learning should never stop. And that is what will make us different and special, right? So with this thought, let's start today's video. Today we are going to understand a very common error, which even the English experts make. So let's see what that error is. Just imagine one of your friends has joined a new school or college or office, anything, and you are trying to tell that person's life has completely changed now, or that person has completely changed now. So many of the people say he has changed 360 degrees. You must have heard it, right? He has changed 360 degrees. Now my dear friends, try to understand. A circle, I have this pen, so I'll show you through this. A circle, it's not a perfect circle, but still, a circle has 360 degrees. This circle, if it starts from here, it completes around and finishes here, and this is the 360 degrees. Okay. Now, if you are saying a person has changed 360 degrees, what does it mean? It means the person has started from here and has reached here. Means there is no change. So why did we use 360 degrees? Because we are not aware about it. So now, if you are trying to tell someone that the person has completely changed, either to say the person has completely changed, best way. Still, if you want to use degrees, say the person has changed 180 degrees, because 180 degrees is complete contrast of the place where the person has started. So now it makes sense, right? The person has changed 180 degrees. This is Anushree signing off.